Hello friends, welcome to Edupedia, World of Education. We have discussed important topics of phonics in our previous video. Basic phonic introduction is also done. Link is given in the description box. When kids are fine-tuned with all basic phonic sounds, it's time to introduce three-letter words, that is CVC words, which means consonant, vowel, consonant words. Let's learn at family. A, d, a, d, at, 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 k, at, cat, 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 b, at, bat, 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 at, hat, 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 at, fat, 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 p, at, pat, 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 at, mat, 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 r, at, rat, 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 s, at, sad, 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 v, at, vat, vat, vat. Friends, please explore other educational videos by Edupedia, World of Education, from iLink appearing on the right side corner. Thanks. Hope you liked the video. Share to your friends and family. Subscribe now. Press bell icon for notification for such educational videos. Thanks for watching.